How to accept Mollie on Shopify. Hi everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can accept Mollie on your store here in Shopify.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So I just wanted to show you this article from help.mollie.com because if you want to add a payment here with Mollie, you must select relevant payment method like these ones here: Ideal, Klarna, Bank Contact, Belfius. I mean, there are several, like a big list that you want and you can select on Shopify. Because if you try to go into your Shopify, into the settings in the bottom left corner, and then go into payments, you can't add a payment method. Here in add manual payment method, create payment method. No, sorry, this is not the option. Let me check that. Oh, okay, here in add payment method, sorry. And you can just search by provider Mollie, so you're not gonna obtain any results. Okay, even here provider, no results. But if I type, for instance, Ideal, I'm gonna be able to do that. Here I guess it is the same. Let's check another one. Perhaps Klarna. This is a common one. Yes, I don't know. Perhaps VVV. No, that's a gift card. Podium. Let's suppose. Let's check. I just wanna be sure of it. No results for Podium, but you just can like check some payments here and perhaps this is gonna help you. Belfius, it's available. Okay, it's on you in order to check that, how you can check that on Shopify. And also you just have to make that through your Mollie app. I am right now here into my dashboard on mollie.com. But in order to get ready with my payments and to link some of these accounts or payment methods with my Mollie account, I must have these details. So my company details, stakeholder information, a copy of my ID for legal representatives, bank account information, and so on. By now, because Mollie it's just available for United States citizens, I'm not gonna be able to continue with this process, but this is gonna be quite simple. Just here in payments, start the setup with any of those other providers, and that's how you can do it. You just have to fill all these data, all these bars, and in that way, when you check here any of these payment methods on your Shopify store, you're gonna obtain your money on Mollie. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.